Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Koenig Arius, beautiful piece. This is the style 55 knife, and we're gonna do just a quick disassembly of this boy over here in order to see if we can perfect the already fantastic action going on in this guy. Let's see what we can do over here. This is gonna pop open, and then this guy right over here, you remove the blade, you take your swab over here, there's some alcohol, it's gonna remove the grease all around. So you can see already that this guy has no skeletonization on the inside. You see the number 88, of course, beautiful touch. But there's no skeletonization, so that's going to reflect in the weight, which is going to be around 5.2 ounces, I think. So 1.2 ounces heavier than the carbon fiber version. So just something to think about. Because, I mean, it's 1.2 ounces heavier than that, just because of the lack of skeletonization. So pretty straightforward, guys. This is very, very simple disassembly going on over here. Let's clean up the blade as well, tang, grooves and everything. This can stay here, and you now need to pick the presentation side, because that's the side where the pivot is gonna be keyed in. All right, so just put that in place. You take your 10 weight nano oil, because I mean I like this, and just a little bit of that over there. Bearing is in, just a smidge around here. This is in. Also this side in. Bearing in. You know what? Let's just do a little bit over here. And you know what we can do? Just 85 weight nano oil right here. Look at this. Just a little drop on that detent ball. All right. This is done. And this is going to be here, and this is going to be lined up here. Take your T8 bit, and handle screw is in. This guy you can do like that. Handle screw is in here. That's done. And pivot as well, just like so. Use some of this nice blue Loctite to coat the thread, and boom, you can screw this down all the way, okay, and see blade is perfectly centered, and see what's the action. So I'd like to fine-tune it just a little bit like that. So you unscrew a little bit, because we want this to be, yeah, exactly. Woohoo, look at this. Look how this guy is dropping. Beautiful. Love it. Oh yeah. So maybe I'm thinking if we can just do like halfway, like this. So to have a little bit more glide. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is exactly the sweet spot where I like my knives to be. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.